So aiming on the beat.
Wrapped in gold like a damn Egyptian. And if she on them drugs, I'll be a prescription. All I had to do was raise my voice, the rest go listen. But it's gon' be hard when you ain't got a pot to piss in. Niggas giving these rings to these hoes to stripping. They going broke and then holla out that they be tripping. Against the cold, man. Bitches, Lil Hustla flow hotter than the summer rain. And plus my gang colder than Eddie Murphy on Boomerang. Have a bitch drinking out the kitty bowl, booty tank. The bitches go crazy for pills and that cocaine. Name a block hotter than 53rd. All that crane.
Hoes love when a rap, imagine if I drop the same.
Cop a whole bird, then we tryna rock the whole thing. Harlem World got me blowing back on that purple hate. Sachi Sage got me seeing haters in a different way. If I can't identify you, I'm shooting you in your fucking face. Hooked on the dick and all I gave her was a ski tape. Now she wanna do it again, asking for replay. I cannot spin her around, I'm not a DJ. Hustling in the rain,
hitting licks under the freeway.
Hustling in the rain.
I be chasing after my money and stacking my chains.
Hustling in the rain.
I be chasing after my money and stacking my
Zona V,
chains.
bitch.
Go hotter than a cook in the kitchen. Won't catch me slipping like a bad transmission. Bitch, you out of there. If she needs the drugs, then I got the prescription. I tried to tell her no, but mouths don't listen. It's a lot to spell. Hustling in the rain, I got the VVS dripping. The hoes flocking, I got a pot to piss in. We just fucking out, debonair. Gucci, Louis, South, bitches everywhere. Four hoes in the binnacle, how the fuck we gonna fit in there? Lifting foreign doors just to hide my ass inside the leer. Nigga disrespect his full clip to his windshield. So many diamonds, I'm a walking, talking chandelier. Man, they done fucked up, let the motherfucking man in here. Stick with me, nigga, I'ma take you far. Blasting off, looking good, something like a shooting star. Not my fault that these niggas stepped on and we like it wrong. Queen Latifah fucked up and we about to let this bitch out. Twin Glocks rolling through your hood like Lord Cross. Riding Jeep Wrangler, ghost riding with the doors off. Riding with my glass out, bitch, I got my glass mouth. Fucked up the game and then the nigga had to cash out.
Hustling in the rain.
I be chasing after my money and stacking my chains.
Hustling in the rain.
I be chasing after my money and stacking my chains.